all back together. That's great. They even turn the right direction for this transmitter. Oh, and I've just noticed, oh brilliant, it's got spinners. God, how long is it? I don't know, that must be 10-20 years ago they were doing spinners on the wheels. I don't know if they still do those on proper cars. I remember seeing them. Rather counterproductive there, because they're supposed to stay still while the wheels go round, aren't they? Right, just looking at some of the detail. I don't know if the camera will focus. That says Overlord Thunderbolt 4x4 simulating a true style. And it says Superior there. So there's quite a bit of detail inside the cab, because you've got all these speakers. And there's some detail behind there. So it's a detailed car. I think this one was quite expensive originally. It's got one wing mirror broken. Looks like it's lost a window there, possibly on both sides. Bit dusty in there too. I thought it was cloth covered seats, but it's dust. We better put it on the floor and drive it around, haven't we? Well, I think we can call that one a success. Shame I can't identify the manufacturer, but that's a nice little car, or truck. A lot of detail on it, and all that was wrong with it was it needed the battery terminals cleaning. And it works with my ordinary standard transmitters that most of my other cars work with. So pleased with that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.